one question from Thomas. So he asked about Tzedakah to this Rabbi Alon Anava. So I would say that the general answer about all of the Tzedakah. So I don't know him. Actually, I was on his lecture once. I mean, I did not know that he's coming. They invited him as a guest speaker like many years ago. He was here in the US. He was living here in the US before he did Aliyah to Israel. So I mean, after that, I listened only to a few of his lectures. One of them was about New World Order and stuff like that. Somebody like asked me to hear. So Thomas just joined, so we're answering your question. So I heard this New World Order and all of this 5G and stuff like that. So it was like one of my students asked me. I usually don't do it, but he asked me like 7 times. So I listen on a high speed. I don't know, for me it was a little too much. But I mean the other people listening, I don't know, maybe they enjoy it, maybe this, maybe that. So I don't know. So about that donating to him or to any other cause, I don't know what they do with the money. I do not know. Okay, he's a good speaker. Maybe he's a beautiful person. I don't know what they do, but I know for sure what we do in Beezrat Hashem with the money. And you can always see that how many people we feed, how many people we sponsor who learn Torah, and now very soon, Beezrat Hashem, we're going to come up with a Mudei Gehinom. Costs a lot of money, and of course the distribution costs a lot of money. So and I know how the money is spent because I'm one of the people on a team, right? So I volunteer, so I don't take any salary. So even though they offer me, I said I'm not interested in money. I have other source of income. Baruch Hashem, I'm not in need. But still, we have to pay for all of the salary of all other people. Who do like a lot of work. I mean, they also don't survive on a month, right? So okay. So and plus we're trying to build yeshiva. So it actually this project was what are we doing now? It was one of the its first project that since we don't have a building for yeshiva, we're trying to collect money. Raise money. We're not there yet, but so we say let's try online, and then when we have building, we're going to move into the building and try to build community. So there is a lot of it's a need for donations for sure. So I personally I don't take money from a company. If anything, I invest my own into this company, into Beezrat Hashem, and because me personally, I know exactly like Rabbi Reuven Shlita how much he does for people. He puts his life. I don't know how he's still alive. I don't know, like he never sleeps, I think, and does so much and cares so much about people. So last time I heard in a lecture, so somebody asked him, it was questions and answers, and somebody said, I'm that single father with the custody of the children. I sent a message. So Rabbi Reuven said, okay, I don't remember the message. I'm getting 500,000 messages a year. Can you imagine how many messages in a day? So he does not remember. So that's, I know for sure, if you invest in this organization, that's a good cause. That's what I invest my life and my money into this organization. So that's, but if you want to give to somebody else, there is no problem. I think, of course, I didn't investigate him thoroughly, but I think he's a kosher person. This Rabbi Alon Anava. I don't know him personally, but okay, that's the answer.